Hi, this is Pachi, and today I'm going to teach you an amazing stir fry. It takes minutes and you can make it anytime. We are going to do it with an onion, a couple of bell peppers, some broccoli, and some snap peas. And they cook in minutes. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to slice them in a mandolin. That way it's super fast, easy, and they're all going to be exactly as thin. Then our split peas, we just cut into pieces. We add each one separately on the panini grill that has been preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, or on high if you don't have a thermometer on your panini grill, with a little bit of oil. And once they get a little hot, you add some water so you create some steam, close the panini grill, and 2 minutes later they are perfectly cooked. Same thing with the bell peppers, same thing with the broccoli, and same thing with the split peas. With the beef, all we have to do is cut our beef, season it, and place it in a baking pan, separate one piece from the other so they can brown. We put them in a hot oven on broil at 500 degrees, and we cook them for 45 seconds. That's it. They will be brown and juicy and delicious. Mix your veggies and your meat, and voila, you have a delicious stir fry. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious food, sustainable mood.